Hello, in this video I'm going to share how I make a die cut sticker using Procreate and the Cricut Explore Air 2. So I'm going to use this girl as my example, and I'm just duplicating the canvas here just so I've got a backup of all my layers. And then I'm going to select all the layers that I have here and then group them all together and flatten that layer. So now everything is just on its own layer. I'm going to make a new layer underneath that and use a white colour to draw in like the sticker, and for this I'm using the hard airbrush. So I'm just pinching those layers together. I don't think it actually really matters if you do that or not, but then I'm just saving it as a PNG. And then I'm going to open up my Cricut on the iPad and I'm just going to bring in the image. So then I'm going to select print, then cut, and then quickly just name the file. So now I'll select the image and click on edit, and then click this little lock symbol here so it doesn't distort when I scale it down, if I can ever get it. So I made it about 5 by 7 inches and I'm just bringing it up into the top left corner of the canvas. And then clicking on shapes, I'm going to bring up the square shape, and then I'm going to click edit, and then I'm going to just unlock this so I can change the dimensions. 17 by 23 is actually what Cricut cuts at. So I'm just going to take the black square up into the top left, click arrange and click send backwards, just so I can see my images now. And then I'm just going to duplicate this and place them next to each other. And then I'm just going to bring up the layers and select them and group them together. So having this black square behind just helps me place out the images so I know that I'm not going over where Cricut would cut. Then, making sure I have them all selected, I'm going to click on align and then click align left. Next I can delete the black square because I don't need that anymore, and then just select all of the images and then flatten the layer. Now we are ready to print and cut. Then you want to make sure that bleed is turned off, and if you can't see this, just rotate your iPad around and landscape and then you'll see it. And then I'm just going to bring up my printer settings here. I'm going to make sure it's at its best. I'm going to click main tray and then click photo high gloss paper and then print. For my paper I'm using a matte sticker paper from Officeworks. It's at 200 GSM. I'm just going to place my sticker sheet on the mat and making sure it's on cardstock, and also you can edit your tools here and click on deep point blade, which is what I do, and then pop it through to cut. Once Cricut is done, you can peel away all your stickers, and now you have really cute little die cut stickers that you could use or sell in your own shop. I really hope you've enjoyed this video. Please give it a like and subscribe, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye!